Why? What's the matter, Isaac?
Let me see.
Why? What happened?
Let me see. I'm going to fall downstairs.
You're not going to fall down the stairs. All you got to do is get up. All you got to do is get up, Isaac, and walk down.
I'll help you. No.
Just get up and walk down.
No, I can't. I can't. I can't. I'm going to fall down.
You're not going to fall down the stairs. Isaac, you're just laying on the stair. You got to
I'm scared. I'm scared.
Isaac, just get up and walk down the stairs. Just get up. Get up and walk down the stairs.
No.
Why?
I can't.
Why?
Why can't you walk up the stairs?
All you gotta do is get up, sit up, and walk down the stairs.
No, I can't.
Yes, you can.
Let me help you. No, no. No, I can't. No, don't do it. Don't do it for me. Mommy, I don't wonder why Isaac's crying.
Isaac, get up.
I can't.
There.
Thanks for helping me.
Okay. You're all right.
Isaac, you want to see my new car Mom built?
Goofy.